once again, it is Miss C. Today we are going to do math. So, we are on the main page again, and remember we have to go up here to the top, make sure you're always in classes, and that we are in math. Click math. Okay, and remember to always go on the left-hand side, right here, and click on class pages. Let the page load for a bit first. Alrighty, and then we go to weeks 1 and 4. Click that. Again, let it load for a bit, and then we want to click week 2. Alrighty, now you guys are having it easy today, okay? We are working on fractions. So if you guys have your fraction flip book that we made together, I would definitely pull that out for this assignment. If you want to read with what you are going to do for this week with fractions, you can definitely read this whole thing if you want to. On the right hand side, you have your digital math tools, there's some anchor charts, and you have the vocabulary. But you guys should know by now what the denominator is, the numerator is, what partition means, and what a fraction means. If you guys want to write the definitions down below and comment, I would suggest to do that. And then I can see if you guys actually understood it. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to do day 1. Here are some videos and practice that you can do before we do assignment 1 and assignment 2. So for day 1, you do have 2 assignments, okay, boys and girls? So there are 2, remember. So you guys can click this, and you guys can do it here if you want to. However, just like we always do it, I'm going to copy and paste it and put it on a Word document, and then we will send it to you guys through email. And then you guys can complete it there, or you guys can do it in your math notebook. I know you guys have one, so if you guys want to do it in there, you guys can definitely do it in there. And then there's assignment 2. It has a whole word problem for fractions, but don't worry, we're going to go over it on the Word document. So the Word document is right here. We're going to just stretch it open, and we're going to do assignment 1. So boys and girls, you guys see here, week 2 math and assignment 1. So I highlight some of the important words that you guys should know, and the picture is here as well. So remember the word partition. Who can tell me what the word partition means? Does it mean into equal or unequal? I know you guys know this. So let's read it. Tony was asked to partition a rectangle into thirds. So boys and girls, right off the bat, our denominator is what? What do we have in our denominator? You can tell me the denominator, please comment below. His solution is below. His solution, this is what his solution is. Did Tony correctly partition the rectangle into thirds? Prove your answer using pictures, numbers, or words. So you guys can either draw a new picture of the rectangle, or if you think he's right, then you have to give me an explanation. If you think he is incorrect, you can either draw me a picture, you can use numbers, or you can just give me a regular explanation. If you give me an explanation, I would like it if you guys could use the 3 words that you have in your flip book: a numerator, denominator, and partition. If you guys can keep that in your explanation or mention that in your explanation, that's bonus points. Okay, so this one is very simple, boys and girls. We've done this before in class, so I know you can do it. And we're gonna go on to assignment 2. Assignment 2, I gave you guys a little help there. Now, assignment 2, Joel ate 1/3 of his pizza. Stephanie ate 2/6 of her pizza, and Julie ate 3/8 of her pizza. Use either a Word document, which this is what it is, or the digital math tools to draw each of the pizzas they had. So if we're going to go back to our digital math tools, you guys can find it just right here. Okay, if you want to use that. So it says shade in the part they ate. You can also draw it in your notebook and use your laptop camera to take a picture and attach it to your answer. Who ate the most pizza? How do you know? Explain. So there are 3 things, I highlighted it for you guys. There are 3 things in this one assignment that they're trying to ask for us. Now the first thing is shade in the part they ate. Now boys and girls, you have to do 3 different pizzas, okay? One pizza is partitioning into how many pieces? The second pizza, how many are we partitioning the pizza into? And the third pizza, how many pieces are we partitioning that pizza into? What are we looking at to partition our pizza into? Do we look at our numerator or our denominator? Answer below. So now, the first is shade in the part they ate. So guys, you have to draw me 3 pizzas. Again, I repeat, 3 pizzas, and you have to shade in the amount they ate. So if Joel ate 1/3 of his pizza, how many are we shading in? If Stephanie ate 2/6 of her pizza, how many are we shading in? And if Julie ate 3/8 of her pizza, how many are we shading in? Alrighty? Now, question 2 is, who ate the most pizza? So make sure, I recommend you guys drawing your pizzas in a row. So I recommend having Joel's pizza maybe here, you can have Stephanie's pizza here, and then Julie's pizza here, so you guys can compare who ate the most, okay? And you just give me the name. It can either be Joel, it can be Stephanie, or Julie. That's all I need in this question 2. Question 3, you have to explain to me why that person ate the most. So let's say, again, this is not the right answer. I'm just saying, let's say Stephanie ate most of the pizza, okay? If Stephanie was the one who ate the most pizza, you have to explain why. You have to tell me, well, the denominator is this, and she ate this much because this is what the numerator tells me. If I were to compare Stephanie's pie with Joel and Julie's pie, this is why Stephanie has the biggest pie, or she ate the most. I'm sorry, not the biggest pie, but why she ate the most. So you have to give me some explanations. Again, use your notebook, or you can do it here on this page if you want to. Again, you can use the digital tools, which is on the right-hand side, right underneath vocabulary right here. So you have a lot of resources that you guys can use. And you guys are more than welcome to use your flip book to write your explanation. Okay? If you guys have any questions, please email us. Please comment below if you have any questions as well. Miss you guys tons. Hope to see you guys soon, maybe. I'm not sure, but I hope you guys are staying indoors and being healthy and doing your homework. All right, have a good day, guys.